Jangmia Chikloni Pai Thongke Barni New Delhi Rongsupi Supreme Court of India B Block Administrative Building Conference Holalong National Legal Service Authority Pen Kipatir P EC Social Awareness Upon Connecting with the Cause Pu Athepi Pen EC Akithi Lamarjan Mate Short Film Ahin Kaselam Kachipati Pedoponsi La Solong Ki Haidun Tumaphan Nung E Kipajirajami Pedulo La Solong Karbiang Long Along Kido di Pulo College Tumta Chapati Dunsi Hiniang Deng Nung E Kachipalong Dun NLSA pen lapuson social awareness abahan Lamarjan pen kachipati pedu pupen dipu lo college long kicharli arisoejang mukrang ingleng sulilingti sermahinterangpi Rubina Asmi lapen kosik polatum Chelangsi Voice of the Forest Protection and Enforcement of the Tribal Right Pothipi and pen Lamarjan selam pen chipati dunu India that north west east south taxi lo college ke do an labang so Lamarjan kachipati pedolo La Songbong pen dipu lo college sitame hiniang deng short film video long nong e asamang tang pen chepalong dunno labangso Lamarjan kilang ni sen na pen RD Duklong ajok Patumyapur Supreme Court of India Chief Justice Patron in Chief NALSA Honorable Sanjeev Khanna lapen Honorable Justice BR Gawai Judge Supreme Court of India lapen Honorable Justice Chairman SCLSA Surya Kanal Dengpen Nong I Chideng Dundu La Solong Dipu Judicial Court District Judge Roshanlal Sitami Chitongdun.
But our ancestors live here for generations. How can they take it?
We are helpless. We don't know the law. Who will fight for us?
We can't let our children's future be stolen. There must be a way.
I heard of a scheme, Nalsa. They help people like us. Legal aid, they call it.
The court recognizes the rights of the tribal community over their land. The eviction notice is hereby quashed.
We are the voice of the forest, the guardian of our land. Thanks to NALSA scheme, we found strength in the law to protect our rights. Every tribal family has the right to live with dignity. And now, we know how to fight for it. Cardo.
News Report Carbing Long Life.